also, I don't know if we've spoken about this publicly on my blogs, but do you remember the Keep Cup saga, where I was talking about how I wanted All Press, you know, my favorite coffee company ever, to make a cup that I could take, and then they made this porcelain one that I really like. God, my vlogs are just like fascinating information. So they made this porcelain one that I really like, but then I was like, I kind of would like a lid for it, because then I could carry this porcelain cup, because I like ceramic cups, ideally. And then what they did is they came up with this Keep Cup, which is made of sugarcane, which I absolutely adore. I should get affiliated. But I tried the lid and it was too small on the porcelain cup. So I was like, so I love the Keep Cup idea, but I still would like to be able to carry also a porcelain cup. Well, guess what? They made a lid. They actually made the porcelain cup with the lid, and they just gave me this one as a freebie because I'm such a great client. So now I have the porcelain cup with the lid, and you can't imagine how excited I am. I mean, I'm really excited about this cutter lid, because remember what I said about the lipstick getting all over the freaking white silicone lids? On here, it's gonna be a lot better. So nice tree. I'm gonna take him, it's a him. I'm gonna take him to get some air. Because I'm waiting for a DPD driver to come, and he's taking literally over 2 hours schedule. So I think it's time, and I'm also gonna make myself a chai latte, yeah, at the same time, because I deserve it. 2 cups of milk. 1 cup fresh water. At the same time, I'm going to be making a fried egg. Let's see what's going on here. I have salami. I have barely nothing. I really didn't want to eat at home, but it's so late that everything is closed now. Like all the cafes stop serving food at about 3:30 or something, which is extremely annoying. But life. So I have prosciutto, cheese, just gonna have like a tapas platter. Prosciutto, cheese, maybe 1 beetroot. Oh, that's so boring. I really don't. I wish I had bread. I have different teas, so maybe that makes a difference. Don't even have avocados or anything. I have nothing because I'm traveling. I'm going away on Thursday and I didn't want to buy stuff. Ooh, I like a little bit of vanilla in my chai. I totally forgot that I was doing that. I thought I had cinnamon somewhere, but I guess not. That's weird. Uh-oh. See, this is what happens when you don't observe what's going on around you. Because you're starving. Where's my phone? DPD guy is supposed to call me. Obviously, he feels really guilty about this. He's fucking left my area. I mean, I don't know what's going on. He was in my building in this little map thing that I've got for the longest time. And now he's not even in the area anymore. This is just really confusing. I hate Christmas. Let's put some pepper on my egg. Egg needs pepper. What else needs pepper? Nothing. Egg needs also salt. This mess. I'm very casual with my cleaning, as you can see. Back in the game, darling. Back in the game. We are going to heat you up. This is why I always get burnt, because I'm always doing stuff that I shouldn't be doing. Are you even done yet? Come on. Come on, we're all waiting for you. Okay. Mashing, mashing, mashing. Let's not get distracted. Are you ready to come out now? I don't know what I want right now. I think I want brie. So much cheese. Literally all I have in my house is cheese. So cheesy. I should order a cup for later because I'm gonna be late. I need a Via Van immediately. Okay, so I'm gonna have different kinds of cheese. I think that's more entertaining for me. So I'm gonna have a little bit of this one. A little bit goat cheese because actually I really like goat cheese lately. A little bit of a nice cheese splatter. And a little bit of the cambosola, which I love. Cambosola is like the best cheese. It's a mix between blue cheese and camembert. I mean, I know. Darlings, darlings. Darlings, I have such a perfect British accent. Alright, is that enough for you to talk? What's going on? Salami, salami. This is so not... I mean, it's not that unhealthy, I guess. But you know what I do, like every good female? I put all these little bites of things in my plate. And then I will come back and finish all of it, like all of it. Just snacking after. So don't think that this is what I'm eating. This is what I'm showing you. I even... Oh no. Look what I got. Look what I got. I have something really interesting to show you. I got these silicone gloves for my... so that I don't burn, because again, I burn. I burn all the time. I just love doing things that burn. So I have a little piece of bread. This is not even... No, this looks really strange. I don't know. I'm gonna have it anyway because I'm sorry. It's great and it's more comfortable, and they give you 2 of them. You can order 2, and then you can put your hand in the oven. You can put your hand in boiling water. You can just go for it. Just live your wildest dreams. Okay. Let's all eat cake.
And there's some really, really difficult stuff as well, like the Jason Giorgiani stuff, which is, you know, on...
We're at Covent Garden right now. I just came back from dancing. I haven't eaten all day, so I'm having one of these bars that I never have.
Doors closing. Doors opening.
You know what I've decided? This is a much better way to film, even if on the phone it's horizontal, so it's gonna be the other way around. Just a little update. I'm in the bathtub and I'm doing my nails at the same time. I was at my physio yesterday and he sees this. And he's probably expecting to have, you know, a good story, physical activity related. And I'm like, yeah, I fell on the floor because I was wearing my heels for the first time in a while. You know, I did a Hollywood wax on myself for the first time ever. I had never done it on myself. And it was so much easier than I thought. I'm a fucking professional. Like, it looks amazing. I wish I could show you. Hello. I already miss my dance classes. I'm going to Spain tomorrow. And I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to stretch properly. I'm already missing it.